Hello children, welcome to Saravani's channel. Let us have 6th class mathematics. So before going to that, let us have a small discussion about the proverb. The proverb is make hay when the sun shines. Actually, it is a proverb for mostly means it deals with the farmer. The meaning is the farmer's job. What do the farmers do after harvesting everything? They cut that hay, whatever is left over, that they dry it. That dried hay they use for various other purposes. But this drying process should be done only when sun shines. Otherwise what happens? The hay will spoil. What is the knowledge that we are getting from this? It means opportunities knock our door only once. So, be careful, observe it. When you get that opportunity, grasp that opportunity and utilize it. That will give you a successful life. So, be careful children. Never lose the opportunities that you have got due to either laziness or due to negligence. Let us come back to our studies. This is about 6th class basic geometrical ideas I am dealing with. So, exercise I have completed one exercise and now curves. We are going to talk about curves. The definition of a curve is, it is a line which is not straight. A line which is not straight but flows smoothly without any sharp turnings. It just flows. See, as an example, see, I am drawing one. So it is a line. It's a line only. But what is happening? There are no edges. There are no sharp endings. It is flowing smoothly. This is considered as a curve. A curve can be of any type. You can draw like this. This is also a curve. So a curve is what? It is a line but not straight, but it flows smoothly without any sharp turnings. Next, we are going to talk about polygons. What are polygons, children? A simple closed figure made up of definite number of line segments. Certain number of line segments join together to form a closed figure. For example, suppose if I have drawn like this, A, B, C. AB is one line segment, BC is another line segment, AC is another line segment. All these three are attached to each other. Closed means what? There won't be any opening. There won't be any gap between the line segments. So, you can call it as a triangle. This is one polygon and I can draw another one like this. So how many sides I am having? A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is a 5 sides figure, we call it as a pentagon. It goes on like this, children. These examples are enough for you at this stage. So what is a curve? What is a polygon? I have taught you. Just copy them, then we will go to the next exercise. Now, we will see exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. In this 4.2, children, you have got certain figures. The first one, if you open your textbook and see, you have got one as a triangle like this. This is the first figure. And the second figure, it's somewhat like this. This is the second figure. And the third figure, it is something like this. This is third figure. And fourth figure, somewhat 1, 2, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this, somewhat like this it is. This is fourth figure. And fifth figure is in this way. It goes on in this form. Okay. Now this is given to you. Now the question is, take simple curves. What are simple curves, children? Simple curves means without any difficulty you will be drawing. You can consider this first one as a simple one, second one, third one, even 1, 2, 3 you can draw as simple curves, children. Next, state which are, second problem, you have got certain figures. One is like this, first bit, and the second bit you have got in this way. This is your second bit, and this is the third bit, and this is considered as fourth bit, and this is your fifth bit. In this, state which of them are open and which of them are closed. So let us talk about open figures. Open figures means which have got gap in between. So first one has got gap, and fifth one also you have got, you can see the gap. So these are open figures. Next, you are having closed ones. What are closed ones? Second one is the closed one, there is no gap. Third one is also a closed figure, no gap. Even fourth one also is a closed figure because there is no gap. All the line segments are attached to each other. Okay, children? So this is about the second problem. And third problem, children, you have got a map here. I hope you can see this. This one is a Telangana map they have given. Telangana map, and certain points are given here. Now, basing on this, you please see your textbook and then understand this problem. Now the question is, name the points that lie interior and on the boundary and in the exterior of the figure. So we have got three questions. First question, interior. What are the letters that are there? Interior. Interior means inside. Inside I have got letter A is there, and I is there, G is there, E is there, B is there. That's all. These are the ones which are there inside. And the next one, on the boundary. Second one, on the boundary. On the boundary means upon the line that makes that shape. That is, you have got C and you have got K and you have got F. These are the figures on the boundary. And the third bit is exterior. Exterior means outside the figure. Outside the figure, there is a letter D and a letter J. That's all, children. These are the ones. There are certain points given in the figure without any indication of the letter, so we cannot consider them. So these are three problems, children. Just note down. Now we'll go to the fourth problem. Now the fourth problem is, draw three simple closed figures by straight lines only and by straight and curved lines. First by straight lines. Three curved figures, three closed figures. First one, I can draw a triangle, and second one, I can draw a quadrilateral, and third one, I can draw a pentagon. So these are all simple closed figures. These are all closed figures formed by straight lines. And the second one is straight lines by straight lines and curved lines. By straight lines and curved lines. First one, let me draw a somewhat cylindrical structure, and the second one, your letter B is made up of straight and curved line, and the third one, you can draw any structure like this. This is made up of straight lines as well as a curved lines. Okay, children? So these are the three ones. It is not compulsory that you need to draw only this. You can draw anything else which will satisfy the question. So this is the last question of your exercise, children. Remaining part we will see in the next class.